Compare and contrast like a pro, mastering evidence and examples in writing. Hello, learners. Welcome to our next session on mastering academic and professional vocabulary. Today, we'll delve into a critical skill, comparing and contrasting in writing. More specifically, we're focusing on using examples and evidence to support comparisons and contrasts. This skill will significantly enhance your writing, making it more effective and persuasive. Let's get started. Comparing and contrasting is a fundamental language function. It involves highlighting similarities, comparing, and differences, contrasting, between two or more elements. This can apply to ideas, theories, characters, events, or any items under examination. For example, you might compare two characters in a novel, contrasting their personality traits or actions. Or perhaps you're writing a research paper, where you compare different theories or models. When comparing and contrasting, it's not enough just to state the similarities and differences. You need to back up your points with evidence and examples. This is what makes your arguments convincing and robust. Evidence can be facts, statistics, quotes, or concrete examples. These elements can help your reader understand your points more clearly and accept them as valid. The strength of your comparison or contrast often depends on the strength of your evidence. Here's where we dive deeper. When you're comparing and contrasting, try to use examples that are clear, relevant, and representative of the point you're trying to make. Let's say you're comparing two authors' writing styles. Instead of merely saying, "Author A writes more descriptively than author B," you could support your statement with examples. In author A's book, the detailed description of the protagonist's house paints a vivid picture in the reader's mind. In contrast, author B tends to focus more on dialogues and actions to drive the story forward. Similarly, when using evidence, make sure it's reliable and relevant. If you're writing an academic essay comparing different economic models, use statistics and facts from reputable sources to back up your points. When writing, certain phrases and words can help signal comparisons and contrasts to your reader. Words like similarly, likewise, also, and both are useful for comparing. For contrasting, you can use however, on the other hand, in contrast, or unlike. Remember, the key is not only to use these words but to follow them with clear examples or evidence that supports your point. That's it for today, folks. Mastering the skill of comparing and contrasting in writing, and using evidence and examples effectively, can truly elevate your writing. Whether you're writing an academic essay, a professional report, or even a book review, these skills will serve you well. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in no time. Until next time, happy learning!